Understanding the phrase, not close. Hello, English enthusiasts around the world. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that can be a bit puzzling. Not close. This seemingly simple expression holds various meanings depending on the context it's used in. So, let's explore and clarify so that you can use not close confidently in your daily conversations. In its most literal sense, not close means that something is physically far away from a point of reference. It's the opposite of close or near, which imply a short distance. For example, if you're looking for a cafe and someone says, "It's not close," they mean it's a long way from where you are. But the phrase isn't limited to physical distance. Let's see how else it can be used. Subsection 2.1. Relationships and similarity. When talking about relationships or comparisons, not close can indicate a lack of similarity or connection. Our opinions are not close, meaning there's a big difference in opinions. They are not close friends, suggesting the individuals do not share a strong friendship. Subsection 2.2. Competitions and games. In competitive scenarios, the phrase can mean that a game or a match wasn't a tight contest. The teams were not close, indicating one team won by a large margin. Taking it a step further, when someone says, "not even close," they're emphasizing how far off the mark something is. This can be used to express that an attempt was completely wrong or inaccurate. "You guessed I'm 30. But I'm not even close. I'm 22. It's also important to understand how not close might appear in everyday idiomatic language or in expressions. That's not close to enough, meaning what is provided falls short of what is needed. And there you have it, folks, the varied uses of the phrase, not close. Whether you're discussing distance, relationships, opinions, or the outcome of a game, this phrase can be incredibly versatile. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using not close, just like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, keep learning and keep curious.